In industrial manufacturing applications, efficiency, precision, and reliability are paramount. One piece of tooling that can help in many ways is the Vortex Tube, a deceptively simple but powerful tool that solves complex spot cooling and process cooling challenges. A Vortex Tube is a compact cylindrical device that splits a stream of compressed air into two, one hot and one cold. With no moving parts, no need for electricity, and no refrigerants, it offers a maintenance-free solution for a wide range of cooling tasks in your processes. Key benefits of Vortex tubes in industrial use include instant cooling. It achieves temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit or -40 degrees Celsius instantly. No moving parts means no mechanical wear, low failure rates, and virtually zero maintenance. No electricity required at the site. Operates using compressed air alone. Small in size, lightweight and compact, fits into tight spaces easily. Adjustable performance. You can fine-tune temperature, airflow ratio, and cooling power. There are many real-world applications in which Vortex tubes can benefit industrial manufacturing. Cooling electronics in harsh environments. In environments like steel mills or foundries with extremely high ambient temperatures and electronic controls that are vulnerable to heat damage, Vortex tubes can provide localized cooling to PLC panels, sensors, and control cabinets. This protects sensitive components from thermal failure without requiring bulky air conditioning units. Protecting tools and machining operations. Precision CNC machining and metal cutting operations generate a lot of heat. Overheating tools can lead to dull edges, warped parts, and inconsistent tolerances. Spot cooling with Vortex tubes directly at the cutting zone extends tool life and improves accuracy without introducing liquid coolants that could contaminate the product. Providing cooling to plastic injection molding. Plastic parts must be cooled quickly and evenly to prevent warping or sink marks. Vortex tubes can be directed at mold cavities or freshly extruded components to accelerate cooling time and improve cycle efficiency. Speed up food and beverage packaging. Packaging machinery often overheats or requires rapid cool down between runs. Vortex tubes can cool heat sealing jaws, pneumatic cylinders, and rollers and conveyors. With no refrigerants or oil, Vortex tubes are food safe and ideal for sanitary environments. To learn more about Vortex tubes, visit our website today.